It's a moving nightmare. You just moved into your new place only to discover that your stuff won't arrive for days. Here's what you'll need to survive until your stuff arrives without spending a fortune on replacements. Make sure to keep on you your prescription medication and personal medical items like inhaler or CPAP. You're gonna need chargers for your phone and other electronic devices. Routine toiletries. Consider picking up a travel kit so you don't have to buy a whole new set of everything just for a few days. Toilet paper, a plunger, and hand soap. Trust me, you're gonna want those. A towel, shower curtain, and bath mat. Or just an extra towel for your feet. A first aid kit. A few sets of clothes. Remember, you're just trying to survive. It's okay to be an outfit repeater. Pillow and sleeping bag, or a blanket and thick comforter if you don't have a bed yet. If you have pets, make sure you have food, dishes, a leash, toys, and bed, plus dog bags or a litter box with kitty litter. A portable toolkit for any loose screws, paper towels, or cleaning rags. These items will help tide you over until all your stuff arrives. Then, you can start the fun part. For everything you need to get done on day one in your new place, watch our other video.